Okay, priority drain service dropping down the sewer line here at 942 Poplar Street in Denver. We're going through a clean out that's right next to a water heater, as you can see right here, and the dishwashing or the washing machine, all that good stuff. We're going to drop down this thing and take a look. Okay, we're at the city sewer right now. I'm gonna flush the toilet to clear that camera head off and ran into a little blob of stuff. Right in front of us, the sewer line connection. And that's open. The only reason my camera one's got blurry now is because of the stuff I just went through right there. Wait for a toilet flush to come through. Turn it off here a little bit. There it is. And you can see the city sewer right there perfectly. The city's got a lot of stuff laying right there. You can see a pretty good pile of sand laying right in there. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Push forward a little bit and you can see it better. That's sand. It's the water running by from other properties up street from this. They definitely got layers of sand in there though. Come back nice and slow as we come back through.
Actually, want a little light or something? I have a flashlight or something.
Oh, I got this.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, I got a little light here. I'm just watching my TV monitor right now. The sewer line itself is in pretty good shape. There's no sand from the city in here, from their mess here. This stuff came up through the foundation and what have you, I'm guessing. But yeah, it's the sewer line itself has got nothing in it, so you're good to go there. You can flush your toilets and all that kind of stuff, no problem. So yeah, you're good there. So that's one less thing off your list of problems, huh?
Almost in hot water. I
Yeah.
had a bath or shower in 5 days.
Oh, they still haven't fixed that?
No, they were saying someone has to sign off on it or something.
Oh, they probably have the building inspector inspect it. Doesn't look like there's any problems with it, but yeah, I better not touch it for now, man.
And so far, everything looks good right here.
Yeah, as far as your sewer line goes, yeah, you're good.
Okay, cool.
Yep. You can run all the water you want to. I'll be getting out of here pretty quick. I'll be getting out of your hair pretty quick. Was that your son I was talking to? Or the guy that was the man that
Oh,
was...
that's my brother.
Oh, that's your brother, okay. Yeah, he wanted me to let you know exactly what was what, so yeah, you're good as far as that goes. Nothing to worry about on this. He told me about all your stuff you lost. That sucks. This kind of stuff just destroys a home.
Okay, Mouse, I'll be back. Hammer.
So as soon as I get all the rest done in this room, I'll send it back. I just don't want to go Yeah, the bathroom will be more in depth than everything else.
Does all this sand come up through the foundation or what have you, or what?
It came out the commode right here.
Really? Because there's nothing in this pipe. I'm surprised. This pipe is what that commode ties onto. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Go upstairs
Dog's losing it up there.